Are you searching for the best Ninja blenders? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 Ninja blenders that I tested this year. Number 5. Ninja Footy Power Blender Ultimate System. Ninja's Footy Power Blender Extreme Framework lives up to its title with 1,600 watts of control and the capacities of a full-featured nourishment processor, huge pitcher blender, and individual blender all in one. Though it's one of Ninja's priciest models, its versatility justifies the cost. The large 72-ounce pitcher works for both hot and cold ingredients, perfect for making frozen drinks, smoothies, soups, and sauces. It also chops, slices, and shreds at lower speeds. There are 7 speed options and a pulse mode, all controlled with a simple dial. Included accessories are impressive: a 3-part blade for the large pitcher, a plastic dough blade for kneading, 2 disc inserts for slicing/shredding and grating, and 2 personal-sized cups designed for smoothies and smoothie bowls. The smoothie bowl cup has a built-in tamper to ensure even blending of frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds. All parts, but the engine base, are dishwasher safe. Size: 8.3 by 8.7 by 16.1 inches. Power: 1,600 watts. Pitcher capacity: 72 ounces. Speed options: 8. Fixtures: 24-ounce cup, 18-ounce cup with built-in interfere, smoothie blade, travel lid, shredding/slicing disc, harsh disc, dough blade. What we like: powerful. Multiple containers and attachments. Dishwasher safe parts. What we don't like: expensive. Number 4. Ninja SS151 TWIST Blender. Ninja's innovative TWIST blenders feature angled tampers built into the lid, which constantly push ingredients toward the blades for thorough blending. Its powerful motor, one of the highest wattages available, can chop tough ingredients without needing to stop and scrape. The pitcher also includes a drizzle cap for slowly adding ingredients during blending, like oil for homemade mayonnaise. This compact system includes a low-profile 34-ounce pitcher and 24 and 18-ounce cups, all with travel lids that fit on the same blade. It offers 5 automatic settings for juices, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreadable items like nut butters, and smoothie bowls. Manual control includes 1 speed and a beat button. Like other Ninja models, all parts except the base are dishwasher safe. However, the plastic tampers can melt in high heat washes, so it's best to place the blender parts on the top rack and use a normal or gentle cycle. Size: 6.5 by 8.3 by 13.8 inches. Power: 1,600 watts. Pitcher capacity: 34 ounces. Speed options: 2. Fixtures: 24-grain cup with lid, 18-ounce cup with lid. What we like: design ensures thorough blending. Dishwasher safe. Includes 2 single-serve cups. What we don't like: no adjustable speed. Sensitive to high heat in the dishwasher. Number 3. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ. The Professional Plus Kitchen System is a versatile appliance that combines a full-size blender, personal blender, and food processor all in one. This system can handle common blending tasks like crushing ice and making milkshakes in its large pitcher. Furthermore, incorporates 2 24-ounce mugs with their claim edges and travel tops, perfect for making person smoothies on active mornings. Besides mixing, it comes with a 64-ounce nourishment processor bowl. This bowl features a metal chopping blade for making salsa and a plastic dough blade for kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough. However, it lacks slicing and shredding tools that most food processors have. The framework offers 5 Auto IQ preset programs for making smoothies, pulverizing ice, extricating juice, chopping, and manipulating dough. It also has manual controls with 3 speed settings and a pulse button. Though this Ninja model is pricey, its ability to replace 3 separate machines might justify the cost. Size: 7.4 by 9.6 by 18 inches. Power: 1,400 watts. Pitcher capacity, 64 ounces. Speed options for accessories, 64-ounce nourishment processor bowl with chopping and batter edges. 2, 24-ounce glasses with edges and travel tops. What we like. Powerful. Versatile accessories. Easy to use and clean. What we don't like. No slicing or shredding capabilities. Expensive. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Blender. If you want a blender with a lot of power, this Ninja model is for you. With 1,400 watts, it can easily crush ice and destroy nuts. Its unique design features 3 sets of blades at different heights in the jug, ensuring everything inside is fully blended. The pitcher holds 64 ounces, which is great for making large batches of smoothies, though it might be more than you need for smaller amounts. Cleaning is easy since both the pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe. The Ninja Professional Plus suggestions 3 speed settings and a pulse button, along with 3 auto IQ settings. These programs use patterns of pulses and speeds designed for smoothies, crushing ice, or blending ice cream from frozen ingredients. There's even a recipe booklet included. Sometimes the smoothie setting leaves chunks, but you can run the blender for a few extra seconds to fix that. Size: 6.8 by 9 by 17.5 inches. Power: 1,400 watts. Pitcher capacity: 64 ounces. Speed options for accessories: none. What we like. Very powerful. Pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe. Easy to use. What we don't like. Smoothie setting doesn't always blend thoroughly. Number 1. Ninja Professional Blender and Nutri Ninja Cups. The best blenders are also the most versatile, and this model is a great example. It works as both a traditional pitcher blender and a personal blender. Within 1,100 watt motor and 6 blades, it can crush ice and blend frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. It has 3 manual speed settings and a beat button that are exceptionally simple to use. It's a bit loud, but most blenders are. The set includes a BPA-free plastic pitcher that holds up to half a gallon, 64 ounces, for large batches, plus 2 16-ounce cups for on-the-go, single-serve smoothies. The little mugs have a screw-on edge and connect specifically to the base for blending. Each cup comes with a screw-on travel lid. Cleaning is easy since everything except the base is dishwasher safe. Size: 6 by 8 by 17 inches. Power: 1,100 watts. Pitcher capacity: 64 ounces. Speed options for accessories: 2 16-ounce mugs with blender and travel covers. What we like. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Can make large batches or single servings. Includes lidded to-go cups. What we don't like. Loud.